to have an extraordinary life, meron din tong inakalakip na responsibility. Pero ang di natin alam, there's always a backstory behind what we see. Behind the success, madami tayong hindi alam what's going on sa life, sa buhay ng mga tao na to. We see living a life, extraordinary life, coming from external fact. Sabi nga, this is not to discourage everyone to live a life of extraordinary, but allowing yourself to understand, if you're given this opportunity, kaya mo bang i-handle? Yun ang tanong. One of the interview of Elon Musk talks about suffering with chronic depression. At hindi siya nag-iisa. Do you know that 1/3 ng mga business entrepreneurs sa buong mundo suffer from extreme anxiety and stress? And they call it high-profile depression. A bigger success creates bigger responsibility, and bigger responsibility is always equivalent to bigger stress in life.